Hi boys and girls, today Mrs. Wren wants to show you how we're going to add two-digit numbers together. So here's my two-digit number, 25, 2 tens and 5, plus 13, 1 10 and 3. 25 is a two-digit number and 13 is a two-digit number. So you had those cubes that I sent you home with. If you want to use those, you can. So 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 10 and 3. 1, 2, 3 for the number 13. So what I want to do today, which is new, is I want to think about adding the ones together first. So we have 5 ones from 25 and we have 3 ones from 13. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to make an arc, kind of like a rainbow. And that helps me see that we're adding a 5 to the 3. So 5 onesies plus 3 onesies. Let's see what that makes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And maybe you already knew that 5 and 3 made 8. So I'm going to put 8 over here in the ones. All right, now, what's left? Well, we have the tens. We have 2 tens for 25, and we have 1 10 for the number 13. So I'm going to go ahead and add those two numbers together. I'm going to take a different color just so we can have a visual. So 2 tens plus 1 10. There they go. There's those 2 tens and those 1 10s. And that makes, say it, 3 tens. So we're going to put 3 tens right here in the tens place. So now our answer, our sum, remember when we add, it's called a sum. Our sum is 38. And I'll just slide these into the camera. So we have 3 tens and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now, today I want you, if you can, to draw those arcs, all right, with your numbers and show me that. I also asked you to make sure you write it in this horizontal pattern. I know moms and dads will tell you, oh, let's stack them up. We'll get to that another time, but we really need to get good at this first. And this way, written horizontally will help you also visually be able to add them mentally a little bit easier. Okay, so let's stick with that. But mom and dad are right, there's another way to do it, but we're going to stick with this. All right, so let me show you one more. Okay, so my next number is 15 plus 21. Again, these are two-digit numbers because they have a tens place and a ones place, so they're 2 digits, 2 digits. Okay. And again, if you want to pull out those blue cubes that you have, that would be great. So we have 1 10 and we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. And on the other side of the plus sign, we have 20, 2 tens, and a 1. Now remember what I was saying? We're going to add those ones place numbers first. So can you find those? You see where they're at? 1. So we have 5 ones and 1 1. 5 ones and 1 1. So I'm going to draw an arc, and that's what you're going to do on your paper today. You're going to draw an arc. You can use colors if you want, or just your pencil. But let's add those ones together. So 5 and 1. You probably know what 5 and 1 are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you get that? 6. So I'm going to put that all the way over here. Mrs. Wren's running out of space. Put it a little bit here. 6 ones. And now we're going to go over. Did you guess? Oops, can you see that? There you go. Okay, can you see? We're going to add the tens place next. So let's go ahead. 1 10 and 2 10. And eventually you'll just be able to see that in your mind's eye. You won't even need to draw an arc. But 1 and 2, see what we have here? How many 10s do we have? We have 3. So I'm going to put that 3 in the 10th place. So 15 plus 21 is the same as or equal to 36. Okay? So today, would you please write out those numbers that I have on the page for you? Unfortunately, I can't write them out for you at home. I can't give you a paper. We didn't bring one home, but you can write that out or have mom or dad write it out, so you make sure you have those numbers written down correctly. And then would you use your pencil or a marker, 2 different colors if you want, like I did, and make those rainbow arcs for the 1s and the 10s, and then write them down. And remember, you have these cubes in your little Ziploc baggies if you'd like to use those as well. Okay? Can't wait to see your work.